Hello friends. Today I'm going to give you a review on a new website which is called www.farmstruck.com. So this website is very special and close to my heart because I've been a regular customer for the meat that they supply, and I must say, you know what, it's an excellent choice. So today I'm going to prepare a prawns dish. Alright, so basically I have tried a lot of dishes from these guys because the meat is fantastic and absolutely delicious. I suggest you also to try it out. Let's see what we have got today. Alright, so this is a website that I was talking about, Farmstruck. So the company is registered at Farmstruck Global Private Limited. So I can totally assure you that this is 100% true, guys. And these guys are delivering excellent products. So I have ordered prawns, as I told you, and this is how I got my product delivered. Let me just show you a closer look at the packaging and more details about it. Just give me a second. Let us see that. Can you just look at the package, how beautifully they are packed? And this is absolutely a very high quality carton box, unlike other online delivery services. So you can see this is completely a recyclable material as well. The way they have packed, you can see that the product is absolutely safe inside. It doesn't spill out. There is no chance of spilling out or whatever. And these are the categories that they serve you. They can serve you mutton, chicken, fish, prawns, crabs, all, right, as per your choice. So I have ordered a 500-gram tiger prawns, which is medium, and it is cleaned and deveined as well. All right, fine. Let me just open this box for you. So guys, there is a seal here. I'm just going to open it for you all and show you what exactly we have today. So this is how we can open it. Oh, all right. So there is actually a leaflet which tells you about the instructions and the offers that is going on. And yeah, you also have instructions giving about the material of the box, the carton box, sustainable packaging for all the products. So can you see how exactly they've given you the instruction? And yes, here is our fish, or here is our prawns, one of my favorite dishes, guys. And look at the package. Wow, very nice, isn't it? So can you see there's a logo, and they've given you the health benefits as well. So can you take a closer look at it? Can you just see a closer look at it? It says chicken, it says seafood, and it also says about mutton, the benefits. And can you see it is also biodegradable, and it's absolutely zip locked, in the sense it's air locked, so you can see that the meat is absolutely fresh. Yeah, so what are we waiting for now? Shall we start our prawns? Yes. So guys, I have just washed it with salt and turmeric. So can you see how tender and soft and fresh these prawns are? Can you just see? It's absolutely mesmerizing, isn't it? So the moment you fry it, oh my god, I just can't wait. So let's start our prawns fry. Okay guys, so we have the prawns here. So I've added salt, little bit of turmeric, then according to your spice you can add the chili powder, and you can also add crushed chilies, the red chilies basically, that also will add extra taste to it. After that, crushed ginger and garlic, and what else, yeah, little bit of lemon. Half lemon is what I've squeezed here. And with the help of your hand you will have to marinate it. Okay, please don't put more force. You can add a pinch of pepper powder as well if you like spicy, because fish and pepper goes very well. All right, so it might look as if I'm mashing it, but no, you have to gently marinate it and keep it aside at least for half an hour, so that whatever the masalas that we have added, that will get into it. All right, and then for the frying of this prawns, I'm using Farmstruck wood pressed coconut oil only, guys. This coconut oil is amazing because, as I mentioned earlier, coconut oil goes very well with fish. Okay, so let's start our cooking, guys. So I'm pouring 2 tablespoonfuls of coconut oil and carefully placing my prawns on the pan. And just to keep you informed, guys, prawns will actually take 9 minutes. That's all is the cooking time for prawns. Do not have to overcook it, otherwise it will become like rubber. All right, so you can keep it, you can just toss it and close a lid or use a lid. You can even garnish it with little bit of curry leaves if you like the taste of curry leaves. That is also absolutely fine. So I have kept this on high flame for 4 minutes on one side and 4 minutes on the other side. Now after that, just for the saute, I have cut shallots, green chilies, red chilies, as well as curry leaves. Again using the coconut oil, so let it just fry. Then two more things to add here, that is tomato sauce and soya sauce as well. Then please put our fried prawns into it and just toss it across. Toss it gently. One more thing to keep you informed, if you want, you can skip this tip, right? So on the tawa, what we have fried, you can eat it also like that along with rasam or any other rice. That's absolutely fine. But if you need to have that extra Chinese flavor or absolutely a prawns chili, this is how you can do it. You can just add whatever you want, eat it hot with rice. So it's time to plate it. So here goes our exotic restaurant style chili prawns. Alright, so hope you guys like it, and very important guys, I have not added any tomatoes. If you want, you can add it. So adding flavors is absolutely your choice. I have just tried it in my way. Do try this out. Do check it out on farmstruck.com website. It's absolutely delicious and healthy. You can take my word, it's yummy as it looks. Yeah, and please give a feedback and the review. Hope you all liked my video. Thank you so much. Take care. Stay safe. Stay home. Bye bye.